Recently, Bruce Willis's family announced that he has a condition that's called aphasia. What a sad announcement for such a beloved man, actor, talented. It really takes us all back, and it's really quite shocking, quite stunning. But really, it shouldn't be. I think the reason that it is that it happened to someone who we know, somebody who we think we know, who's an actor, who's a celebrity. But aphasia is something that happens quite frequently. Over 1 million people in the United States have this condition. What is it? It's a brain condition, which is the inability to express yourself or to receive information. It's a communication deficit, and there's no cure for it. What can we do to protect ourselves against such a condition? Well, you all know what you're supposed to do. Keep yourself healthy. No matter what you do to try to keep yourself healthy, it might not work. So what do you do from estate planning, from the legal perspective? As an estate planning lawyer, my wish is that everyone will take this very sad news and think about it for themselves. Are they protected? Are you protected? Likely is that Bruce Willis and his family has very good estate planning in place. They've got durable powers of attorney and wills and everything set up as one would want them to have it set up. What do I mean by what should they have in place? When somebody has the inability to communicate, they have to have legal documents in place that gives somebody else the legal authority to communicate for them. What especially is needed are what's called durable powers of attorney. Durable powers of attorney are the legal authority to act on your behalf. So for you may want a durable power of attorney for finances and a durable power of attorney for medical or personal decisions. Why do we need durable powers of attorney? Durable powers of attorney are intended for exactly this type of situation with Bruce Willis, and that is if the person can't communicate for themselves, then somebody else is designated to do so. Someone else has the legal authority to speak on their behalf. And somebody else who's been appointed to act on behalf of the person with aphasia would know them, would be trusted by them, knows very well what their wishes are so that their finances can be managed, and more importantly, that their health care decisions will be managed as if Bruce himself were able to say, this is the treatment I want, this is the care I want, because he would have appointed somebody who will speak on his behalf. It's not just actors, it's not just celebrities who need this type of legal document. Everyone needs to have in place the legal protections, the durable powers of attorney, so that if something like this happens to them, to the family member, they have the protections in place. And what I want to also convey is this doesn't just happen to people who are 67 years old like Bruce Willis. This happens to folks who are young. They could be in a car accident, have a heart attack, a stroke, some sort of traumatic brain injury could cause aphasia. Frequently it happens with older people who, because of some sort of dementia or Alzheimer's, they also have the condition of aphasia, so they cannot speak for themselves. So this really is an opportunity for all of us to appreciate the gifts we have in our lives and to take steps to make sure that we protect ourselves so that if this or any other condition happens, that the legal protections will be in place for you and your family.